So okay, we're doing wrestling today. Finally, yeah, we are not reading the book anymore. No more me boring reading. We gotta play some game, and feel free to give me hint and tell me what's wrong. Shout at me. Cause like if you don't shout at me, the compiler will shout at me at my face. So make me compile. There are things that doesn't compile. Um, Rustling hints variable or use hinge to watch. So command for hint. I don't know what does it mean. I am not done. So okay. Yeah, so I guess we would have to finish this so it will execute. And there's something wrong with every single one of these. And it's very worrying because I didn't see anything wrong here. Whoa, okay. Oh, I know. This is like my Python brain being silly. Because you have to let a variable. Yay! Okay, safe. And so to oops, sorry. No, I don't want to give you my password. No, please. Why is it doing that? Like, I think it should not ask you again, at least like for maybe a month or something. If you deny, it's like, okay, I'm gonna have to have a look. Because like this is open source, by the way, so I can actually have a look and see if someone got a solution for that, or I can provide some solution. Okay, don't get distracted. Oops, I got too many things. What's going on there? Maybe I can open a new one. Yeah, I restart my computer. Cause there's actually a security update yesterday. So yeah, I have to update and restart my computer for security reason. Oh, I forgot where is it? 1 second, I will be back. Let me fix this first. Okay, I think this should be fine. I am in wrestling, so I think there's some command I can run. RUST. Is it like I was looking at this before? And then run. What do you run? Not update. Wrestling verify. Yes, I am kind of correct. I hope. Oops, what's going on? What? No, not always now allowed to do that. No, deny for now. Yeah. Okay. I have something wrong. Here's the output. Oh, intro one in. It should go to intro first. So okay, sorry, my bad. Maybe I should to intro. Oh, why do you do this? It wasn't like this before. I don't know why it's doing this. Yeah, intro. So let's do intro. Intro one. Okay. About the I'm not done thing. We sometimes encourage you to keep trying things on a given exercise even after you already figured out. If you got everything work and feel ready for the next exercise, remove I'm done command below. Okay. So because like if you are finished I'm not done, then it won't execute this again probably. Using wrestling will reload when you change one of the line below. Try adding a print line. No, I'll do it every time I think. Print line or try changing what if output in your terminal. See what happened. This exercise compiles successfully. Really, but it say that it fails. Intro 1 fails. Please try again. Output. What's going on? Huh. Command line to bin. Huh. This is very interesting. Let me quickly run something that we do before. Add the should run, right? So, okay. It may be more complicated. It may be because like I restart my computer and crazy thing happened. If it's so, we'll take a break and I have to fix it. So cargo run. Oh. Bin target. Oh. It's the library. Okay, so pick the wrong one. The Christmas should do. Okay. Does it run before? Yeah, it's the same thing. So I will fix that. It's probably Xcode or something. I will fix it and come back. Yeah, so Xcode is trying to download 64 hours. I don't know why. But we can put it on the side and try to go through the exercise. Run it first. And hopefully it doesn't take 64 hours, and we can do something again. Like, yeah, I haven't done any coding on this computer the whole morning. Usually I use another computer. This is mainly for my streaming, so it's not my development computer. So yeah. So apparently we have to reinstall Xcode, I guess. So so yeah, we'll see. But before that, we'll dry run it. Hello, welcome to Rustling, and yeah. Exercise compiled successfully, so there's nothing to do with this one. Always be a successful failure output, so we can start tackling them, and then we can verify when we are ready to verify them. So I want to use the Rust analyzer. Yeah, editor is set, and then run Rustling RSP. Okay, I guess we just move forward. Intro 2. Hello, there's something wrong with this. What's wrong with this one? So I guess we don't have anything here, so maybe I'll put my name here. Okay, so maybe that would do. Oops. Yeah, this problem again. I have to also solve this problem. Like, you know, it's like I have a new computer when I have updated. Is it like such a big update? Like, you know, I normally just like let it update like, you know, normally, and it's just because of security issue. I feel it's like quite severe. That's why I do this. But then I feel like now I have a new computer. It's like everything just doesn't work anymore or something. Yeah, we will iron those out, but yeah, I guess you have to put something here. So I will put my name. I hope it works. If it doesn't, we'll come back to fix it. So let's go back to our variables that we were working on. So I have tried the first one. Yeah, so I have to use let here. We're not changing it, so it's fine. We don't have to mute. The second one, let x and then x. So if x equals to 10, then x is 10, and if x is not 10, we just want to make it compile. It's a bit silly here, but I guess you have to do like I32, something like that, I guess. Otherwise, oops. Every time I save, it's gonna be driving me crazy. Okay, sorry, you have to also deal with that. Because I'm not using any GitHub thing for my Plaza. I am like just maybe pushing to GitHub if I want to, but I'm not doing it right now. I don't feel like the need to give you access to my GitHub tokens. So that's why, like, please don't ask me again. Can I allow you when I need to? It is driving me nuts. Okay, so X is I32 is fine. Next one, I think the pop-up will come back first. You see, like, we need I32. Come on, I think I'm right, but I have no way to verify it right now. How's the progress? 1 hour 8 minutes. Okay, we'll by the time we finish all the exercise, you'll be ready. Good, cool. Anyway, dry run. X doesn't have the value. Can I just say x equals to 1? Something like that. Oh no, I can't, because this is, you know what, the easiest is to just add an equal sign here. 1, right? Because then otherwise I may have to make it mu or something. No, okay. every time that I save that this pop out, I would actually go to the GitHub. I don't want to get too distracted right now, although I'm getting distracted by the pop-ups, but yeah, I should actually go to the GitHub and report this issue. It's very annoying. Or is it by design that won't annoy people? Okay. Let execute. Oh, mu. I know. Don't change this line. Yeah. Or you can delete this line and it will work. Yeah. So. Let number THREE. Don't change that line. You are not allowed to change. Oh. Don't rename this variable. Huh. You can't rename. Can you create a new... Is that what they mean? Don't rename this variable. So I can't say like number 2 or something like, or number, or it's a integer number. I can't say it like that, right? But I can create a new variable with the same name, I guess. Is it not violating that rule that's in the command here? I don't know. Yeah, if you think that I'm cheating, please shout at my face. Constant number 3. Ooh, this is new to me. What's wrong with this? Is it because it's not in the scope? Can I be like, maybe use super : star, bring it in scope? Is it why? Or can I actually, it doesn't say that I can't change the line. I can just put it inside here, right? If I'm not sure. Okay. Oops. Yeah, you again. Hello. I almost forget about you. Quiz. Oh no, that's not right. Yeah, that's not what we are doing now. Okay. Next one. It's gonna be very frustrating when we debug this. It's like, oh my god, we have finished 10 of them, but like some of them doesn't pass. How are you doing, Xcode? Okay. Yeah, progressing. I hope it doesn't take like another hour or so. Okay. Next one. If we click on exercise, it will show you which one is okay. Functions. It's getting more complicated, and there's no way of knowing whether I'm right or wrong. Call me maybe. But this is a function. It's not defined, so. So can we just like fn call me. It doesn't take a variable, and then it doesn't return anything special. It's just like print line exclamation mark call me please exclamation mark semicolon. I think that will work. Yes, of course, yes. Call me 3 function call me. Oh, you can, yeah, you can put it. Oh, wait. It should be fine, right? That, but then, like, what? Why? What is this doing here? Num colon I32. Is it the hint? Is it the hint? Also, like, this for the scope thing, like, for example, this one, can I just, maybe I can put it outside like this? Is it okay to do that? I don't know. I can't verify it. It's quite bad. Okay. Okie dokie. Sorry, I didn't check before. I didn't use this computer, like, for coding purposes since I updated it. Very annoying. Okay, I hope this work. U32. Is this a solution? but then, oh, I33. This one doesn't have a number. 3. Is it a giveaway? Is it a giveaway? Oh, num 0. Oh, it may need to be U33. Okay, I'll change it. Because like 0 to num, I probably don't want a negative integer. Anyway. Right. Okay. Original price is 51. Sales price, original price. Sales price, ticket price, return price minus 10 or minus 3. If even, is even price. It's even taking the number. I thought to give you back a boolean. And then if else, what's wrong with this one? This one is taking some time. Oh, I know here. I32. Okay. Oh, come on. Yeah. And then this one. Answer square 3. Square 3 answer num times number. We can do that, right? We can do this, right? We can sign it like that. Square 3 is 3. Num times num. Okay, this one is a bit tricky. We can't even get a hint because because 17 minutes. Okay, it's good. It's getting more optimistic now. Oh, I know. It's not returning anything if they have a semicolon here. Yay, I got it. Okay, next. Okay, I have done functions. I think. I hope. We'll check it when my Xcode is done. Next one is if. Public function if bigger. What? Complete this function to return the bigger number. Do not use another function call additional variables. So we have to use if A bigger than B, B, then A, else. Oh, what if they're equal? What if they? Oh, that doesn't matter because they're the same, right? So it's fine. Else B. That's fine. It's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's fine. I'm going insane. Like I was like, why you keep something in my face? Okay. Driving me nuts. So I would give that A or B, and then it will be A or B here, and I-32 looks okay. Okay, next one. Make me compiled. Get the bar for fuss and the default. 2 bars, test passing. So it's not just compiling this time, you have to also pass the test. So, oh, do I have a test here as well? Yeah, I do have a test here as well. I have to do this properly. Okay. Right, usurper. Well, that's the test. So, fishish. Fishish. Fizz. If fishish is fizz, then return full, else 1. Is 1 is not a string, first of all. And then if this is fizz, it return full. If this is first, then it's a bar. So this one should be bar, right? Literally everything. Oh, what? So, But if it's like, if it's first, then it's bar. Then if it's anything, if it's bars. So I have to else if, right? So yeah, step 1, I should make this work, which is this. But then if I want to make it correct, then this should, if visish equals to bar, which is when it pass, right? I don't care if it's fuss, then it is bar. Else, then it's literally everything. Then it will be bars. I think it's like that. Oh. Right. Okay. 9 minutes. We're getting there. We're getting there. Primitive types. Here. I wish they have like 01, 02, 03 or something, but I guess the book can change, and they decided to do it like that. Yeah. Because you can have like 01 variables, or no, actually 01 intro, 00 intro, 01 variables and things like that. So, but primitive types. This one. But in the rest of the line that has code missing, no hint, there's no tricks. Just get used to typing these. Okay. This morning. Is morning equals to true? If let finish the rest of this line. Like the example, or make it be false. Let is evening equals to true. If it's evening, then it's good evening. Right. Is this what you want me to do? Looks simple enough. Or do I have to like, I don't think I need to type it because it's definite, right? So there's no way something else. Okay, we are learning different types. So that was Boolean, now it's character. Let my first initial be a capital C. That's also me. My first initial dot is alphabetic. Alphabetical. First initial is numerical, neither. Okay. Finish this line. Like, example, what's your favorite character? Try a letter, try a number, try a special character, try a character. From a different language than your own. Try an emoji. Yeah, we can try an emoji. We all love emoji, don't we? Okay, so we just try different times of different things, but we have to have it working first. We're almost there. Trust me. Okay. Let what are we putting there? If your character, right? Character equals to something. Maybe I should try a nothing. Try a number. So how we try that when we are done. Oh, it's installed. Okay, let me see how like it works. Okay, Kaggle seems to be running, so... Sorry, misclick. I was showing you some kind of template from the past. Ignore it. Okay, so... It's a rustling. And then let's clear it. Let's do, what's that? Rustling verify. Oh, what's links? Oh, okay, we have tons of problem here. Oh my god, I really have to handle that as well. Let's just quickly debug. Oh, everything is wrong from there. Okay, yeah, let's quickly debug and then I would maybe fix up my my editor. So that's the next one. Oh. So I have to remove, I'm not done. Yes, you're right. Okay, we have to go through them one by one now. It's okay. So I'm done with this one. And then of course, it's gonna be annoying me. Yeah, even why? Okay, I really have to fix it up. So what's going on? Maybe I should use the watch command so it's less annoying. Output hello check. Oh, so I have to remove all the... Okay, so this is the first one, so maybe watch will be less annoying. Okay, so because I'm not done is kind of there, and if it's still that annoying, I have to really like go and fix it first. It's going to drive me crazy. Variables. Here. Oh, sorry, I have to clear this first, right? So I'm done. And then, yep. Oh yeah, this is so annoying. Okay, how can I not let, how can I ask it not to do that? Okay. We are going to on the detour, isn't it? Okay, let's take a break and let me think about what to do next. Okay, I gave up. I gave them my password. I gave them my password, and now I can push to GitHub. I don't even know that. Like, I don't even use it. Like, you know, I only use Git. That's what I do all the time. So, anyway, so, and then now where were we? Okay, so now we're done with this too. So we have progress, people, progress. Okay, so if I remove all these, right, and now we don't have the annoying thing, and then ooh, I have a problem. Oh, I have to initialize, so I can't do it like that. I have to initialize it, like, but then like yeah, okay, 1. Oh yeah, of course, like, because I'm comparing something, right? Yeah, okay, you are right. Now I have succeed. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this one is done. This one is done as well. This is actually quite fun if I have it like here, if I have it somewhere. I remember there was an Atom plugin for like a terminal, but then they don't have the coloring and stuff, so I still don't like it. Yeah. Yes, nowadays everybody use VS Code, but we still have a community still want to have something that's like Atom. That's why this browser, this Plauser editor exists. So this one is done. I know this one's not. No, this one's done. So I'll put in this exercise intro 2. No, I'm saving this, right? Yeah. Oh, so is it just printing intro 2, intro 1 and intro 2? But the progress bar is moving along, I guess. Okay. So next. So, okay, so far no error, then I can just move on. I thought there would be some messages, but no, you just moved on. You just moved on with your life. Okay, now I have a problem. Oh. So if it's a constant, I have to type it, even if it's obvious. Huh, interesting. So I guess I can do it like before, so can I just... So there's another problem here, so I just need to, because constant, I need to do a I32. Yeah, right? Yeah, okay, so that was the problem. I see. Number 3. So moving on is if. So okay, it works, and then can I see like which one is run, which one is not? Very confusing. But this one I don't see that I'm not done here, so I assume that it's done. Primitive types. Let's move on. Primitive types. So this one here. Then it's fine. It seems fine. Let's just remove this. Quickly run it again. Oh, okay. Now I have a. Oh yeah, this we were here, right? So, it's an empty character. If I put C, then it works. If I put a exclamation mark, then it works. What's the output of this? Try. It doesn't give me the output anyway. Okay. This doesn't fit in like the other exercise. You just you just kind of try something out. Okay, that's fine. Let's move on. A equals to question mark, question mark, question mark. Maybe like that. Oh, maybe like that. Wow, it's a big array. Oh, yeah, of course. Need this as well. Nah, I eat array like that for breakfast. Okay. Didn't miss anything, right? And then slice out a nice slice. Nice slice will be NA 0 to, let's say I want 3 of them. Of course I need the, oh, remove this. Oh, is a test. Whoa. Is an output. Oh, you need 3, 4. Yeah, you need 2, 3, 4. We need 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, that is 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this should be 4 because the last one is not included. Yes. Right. And then Prairie McPherson cat 3.5. Your patent here. So something something. Yes. Oh. Cat equals to name and age. So we have to do this like this: name, age. Right. Ah, forgot to remove. I got it right, or no, it doesn't look like it's right. Type 4. Oh, this one fails. I haven't finished it yet. Nice slice. Here's the output. No, that was before, right? Yeah, that was before. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We are okay. We are fine. We are doing good. Okay, next one. Let number equal to 1, 2, 3. Second. Repeat below question marks with the tuple. Indexing syntax. So I want the second one, which will be numbers 1. Oh, that's one here. Always forget. Access tuple elements use. Oh yeah, it's using dot. The slice is the square bracket and element is dot. Yes. Yeah, confuse it with Python for a little bit, sorry. Yeah, so that's primitive types. So far so good. This is quite cool. Quite like it. But we're also going quite fast, I think, because we have read the book and we kind of, you know, if we got shown our face, we at least know what's going on. That's Vex. Oh, now it's getting more complicated. So Vex I32. So I have 4 I32 number here. A plain array to do. Declare your vector here with the macros for vectors. Phi equals to return vec and a. So vec and a is array, and so they should be equal. So it will be vec a, right? Right. Oh, this. Okay. No, expect one. Oh, I have to have the bracket, so I can't do it like that. So of course I can just copy this, right? But yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can't just put like it needs to be a square bracket or something like that. What are we trying to do here? There's quite a lot of code. A vector of even number is given. Your task is to complete the loop so that each number in the vec is multiplied by 2. I'll make me pass the test. So it's testing. Okay. Sorry, I'm quite tired. Element in, so this is for each one of them. I have to multiply them, each one of them by 2. So if it's element, then element would be, so element is the reference, right? So it's mutable. So element. Oh no. Like that, I guess. This point v should be equal, I hope. Let's see. Oh yeah, I have to dereference it because it's a reference, I guess. Then I have to do this vec map. So the same thing above. Instead of mutating vec, you can just return the new numbers. This is new. It's 8.1. We should have read it, but this is new to me. Map element would be element times 2. Is it correct? Is it correct? It's correct. Okay. Yeah, even this test looks quite intriguing, so take 5 to collect. So it's like a shared array too. From 1 to generate 5 numbers, and then answer is clone. Yeah, no take 5, 6, 5 numbers. So what is it doing here? So maybe I'll only take the even ones. Yeah, list of even numbers, right? Or for okay. Right. Moving on. Move centimetrics. Let's run back to move semantics. What is move semantic? So I have a vector. I have another vector, field vector with vector 0. Oh, this is how you copy a vector. Yeah. Oh, have I? No, wait. Where were we? Oh, we were here. Okay. So here we have push ATH. Field vec. Let me vec equals to, so this one will have a problem, right? Oh no, yeah, this is trying to fill the new vector with some vector. So I pass in a vector, and then it doesn't matter. I pass it. I can give the ownership to this one. So then I give it back, and then now this is vec 1, right? Push. Because this is not mu, I guess. Let's try. Yeah. Okay. It's very anticlimactic. I just like, okay. Oh, there's mu, and then do this. What's wrong this time? I can't use fact 0 because it is. Do not change the following line. I can't change it to not 0. So I guess I would have to pass in. Let's pass in the reference. So it will be reference and then mu. This one will also change things, right? I have to do it this way. Now it's super complicated. Other reference things. So this one I want to have the reference first of all. Maybe let's try this first, and then we'll just solve it step by step. This is like multiple, yeah. Like, oh, I put it in the wrong place, right? Right. Oh, don't mean to do this. Mean to do this one instead. Then, okay. Return type. So guess this is coming back as a reference. So now 1 and 0 is referencing each other, right? Or oh, this needs to be mu. Yeah, this is n mu now. This is n and this is mu. So oh, I should have a space, no? Or not? Oh yeah, it's okay, but in this one also n fact, so this one also n mute. Oh, n mute here, right? It is more complicated. Expect reference, found mutable reference. Let's type n back in this one. So type differ in mutability. Oh, so this one needs to be mutable. No, but this one's not mutable. Give it a reference, and this is trying to make it mutable. So do not move the following line. I can't move it after here. I guess that's what they're trying to restrict us. So this one needs to be mutable as well now. Right. Mutability. Do we accumulate the mutability or the n, something like that? So expect to n mute vec I32 because of return type. So this is not mutable, but this is mutable, right? It's mutable, right? Because I have passed the name. So I was passing a reference, and then but what is the type here now? Because this is mu, this is Or do this need to be n mu as well? Right, then this one would be correct. I feel like I have overkilled it by putting n here. Because this is the reference, right? Just try to make it mutable. Or maybe I put the n here, I don't know. Does it make a difference? No. Expected vect, and they found vect. It's just a vect. It's not a n mu vect. So this crazy reference thing is, let's go back to this here. I think it's chapter 5. No, chapter 4. Yeah, I know it's gonna be messy when we are using the n because it's just crazy everywhere. Or do I dereference it? And no. So it's like this, right? Passing like this, so it needs to be n. So it's n here. This is correct. Maybe I don't do this. I just push it, and then so it's basically the same type, coming in, coming back. Right. No. Mutability. This is n mu, right? Can I do this? No. No, but this is mu now. No, this is mu, and then I put it in here. Then it should be mutable. Go back, go back. Back. Found reference and back. Why is it not mutable? Yeah, I thought there's a mu here. What's going on here? Can I call? Oh, it's not mu actually, just n back. Push 66. Is the n reference, so data refers borrows immutable. Cannot borrow is mutable. Yeah, okay. Are we thinking about it wrong? So if it's mutable, I just borrow it. So it comes in here. It should be n mu. Okay, so this one should be, no, this should be n mu actually, because this is a mu. I want to pass it in n mu. This one is n mu as well. N mu. comes in and then it's all so lag and mutable borrow. Okay, now it's complaining something else. Dot length. Because it got changed, and then so there's the mutable reference and immutable reference here, right? Yeah, so I have to keep that line here, whatever that line is. So this is mut. This is mut. Let everything be mut. Mut. No, it's still wrong. It's still not mut. But I make this mut, right? Or can I just make it mut? Wow, there's an airplane outside. Remove this mut. No, it won't work like that. There's the same problem. Does not need to be mut. So it's a mutable reference. So it's actually a mut here, right? Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. Okay. It's a mutable reference, some string, push. So this should be fine, right? Same, I can change that. So maybe it's not mutable. It doesn't need to be mutable, maybe. Reference. Mutable borrows occurs here. Let's start from scratch. Actually, I can what's this exercise? This is move up exercise exercise move. This is number 2. This card changes. Why? Because I have not saved. Okay. This class changes. Let's start from scratch again. I'm totally lost. Let's close this. Let's remove this. And let's see. Yeah, so there's a problem, right? Because yeah, this one I give the ownership to this function, so that's why I can't use it here. So the only way out, if I'm not allowed to change this and this, is to don't move the following line. Dot copy. Yeah, can I do that? No. Method not found. Clone. It worked. Okay. Yeah, I just think that like, oh, we should not make a copy, but okay, if make a copy save your day, I'll make a copy. I don't care. I don't care. So what is this one now? Push that one. So what is this one? What's the problem here? Low lines with multiple semicolon necessary. Let me compile without adding new line. Just change existing lines. No line with multiple semicolon necessary. So you can't just add one by adding something in a execute. Okay. What's the problem here? That one. So again, I have a vec0 put into view vec, fill vec will take the ownership and fill the vec, and then giving back the vec will be vec1. Oh, this time is reference, right? Now I have the reference, right? Okay, let's just save. Let's see, yeah. Cover was mutable. So this is not mutable. Because this is not mutable. Because I want to make this mutable. So put mute here. Can I? No. So this time so yeah, I don't need vec0 anymore. I just like come here, but I can't add any one line, but need to make this mutable so I can push things inside. So can I make a variable mutable? Can I? Function So I pass in ownership in there, and then what I can do with the parameters? What can I do with that? Where is the function thing? Where's the function thing? Where do they explain the functions? Maybe chapter 3? Maybe chapter 3? Maybe chapter 3 variable functions here. So I want to make that mutable. Take this. So I guess what I can do is to give a reference. So I'm going to the reference loophole again. And mute. This is and mute. So this will push, this will be and mute. But I guess it's just not working because it's the same problem we had before, and I don't like that. To vec. If I add to vec, that it will be fine. No. Oh yeah, but then this needs to be mutable. But I guess if I put mute here, then everybody will be happy, right? Oh, kind of work. Okay. So basically I make 0 mutable, vec0 mutable, so I put in a reference here. So basically this is actually working on the vec0 here. But then when I pass it back, I use 2vec, which I think make a copy of it, and then it will return just a vector type to this one. Yeah, so I'm doing that. It's fine. Yeah. Okay. Decompress. Next. How long I've been struggling? I've been struggling for a while. How far do we want to go, people? How far do we want to go? How far do we want to go here? So after moving is struck. We have struck enum. I think I'll take a break. A break, and then maybe finish struct enum string. There's quite a lot we can do. Option. Yeah, we'll come back maybe tomorrow to do this ones. Yeah, test. So there's quite a lot of exercise we can do. So I think yeah, maybe Saturday we can do all these, and next week we can. Oh, live time as well. So yeah, we can do all this. I think. Oh, enum is a bit tricky. Maybe we'll do struct. We will finish struct, and then maybe we will read further along, and then we would do the rest. Maybe. Or maybe we have a look at how difficult enum is first. So okay, moving on. This one. What's the rule? What's the rule? So that instead of passing vec0 into the function, get created in the function itself and pass back to the main. So this time, so instead of so I give it, oh, so now I don't have vec0. Because I'm not taking anything, no longer takes it as an argument. So this one should not be here anyway. Push back to the main. Mu vac equals to vac, push it back. So I just do this, right? What else is the problem? Let me see. Not a value. Yeah, it's not a value. Why do you do this? Like that. Oops. 0. I'm not using vec0 anywhere, right? So basically I don't need this. What's going on? Why is it complaining? Oh, a specific type, okay. This one needs to be I32. Right. No. But it was working before. It was working before when we have the vects. Don't even need you. I'm not using you anymore. Yeah. Only by reordering the line in main, but without adding, changing, or removing any of them. So mu x y x reference. You can't have two mutable reference. I do it like that. Whoop. So x is y, y is z, the reference y plus 100, so now x is 200, and then so xyz is the same thing basically, but now I have to dereference it twice. Yes, you are correct, because now is a dereferencing is y and then dereferencing again. Oop. Use of equals to y. Mu here. Oh wait. Okay. So delete this. So this should be referencing to y, and then y just copy x because but okay. I don't have to mu x. No. I think. What does it said? It's borrowed here. Use of borrowed y. Oh, change the, just change the order. Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. Reordering without adding change. Okay, just reordering. So misunderstand. So that puts this one after this. Yeah, so because I have immutable reference y, and then now I have another immutable reference to x, but then like y is probably gone. So yeah, that's fine. Yeah, because this one probably remove y's reference. So this is another one. It's fine. This one. Get character. Should not take ownership. Should take ownership. Okay. So I've get character and then string uppercase. Get character should not take ownership. So get character should probably get the reference. And then data the character just gives the first character, and then uppercase should take ownership, so I would give it to them. Then print line. Okay. Oops. What is this? Expected string. Case data, red data, yes. That. Oh. This because of this. Yeah, I can make it mirror like this mirror or okay, fine. Yeah, so I just swap the one is the which one's taking ownership and things. Forgot to change this references. Okay. So it's getting a bit harder. So struct, I want to do struct. It's free. Let me have a look at enum, because I feel like enum may be too, because it involves some like chapter 18 and stuff. So maybe let's have a look at enum first. Readme. Pattern syntaxes. Pattern matching. Whoa. Okay, so maybe why is it keep popping? Again, like updating my computer make it very crazy. So yeah, I would love to contribute to Polars. Thank you, Marco. Yes, but not now. I am going to at least finish the Rust book and the Rustling. Then I would have a look if there's any uh, baby issues that I could pick up. I was happy to. I'm happy to contribute more to open source. Actually, I'm looking at some other like issues in other projects right now, but they are like purely Python at the moment. That's the only thing I am like confident enough is like Python. Sometimes I will accidentally go to like the kind of React and all these like front end stuff, but those are more hacky, right? I don't think Rust is hacky. I can't really hacky my way around Rust, so not now. But I would maybe finish all the struct exercise and then take a break for today. And tomorrow, let me have a think whether I want to do more wrestling or maybe keep on reading the book because I still have half of the book to read. Right. Okay. Let's work on this. Order to do. Woohoo! A lot. Execute. Okay. What should I do? Something goes here. Let's go to the main first, maybe. Oh, there's no main. This is just testing. Okay. What should we do? Color to post struct. Oh, I should declare struct. So what goes in this struct? Debug. Okay. Unit like struct. So I should have red, green, and blue, and they should be like this. So I should declare something called green, and then it should be so. Something goes here. What goes here? It should be having a red, which is a unsigned 32. No, 8 because it's only 255. And then is it a comma or is semicolon? Oh my god, I already forgot. It's okay. I guess everybody knows, but let me just quickly check. Right, it's a comma. So green U8 blue U8. Okay, I don't need the comma at the end, right? But I just added there for my sanity. So this color classic, right? And then color tuple. So it will have 3 things. Something goes here, so probably UH. Something like that, I think. Right. I'm kind of trying to see, yeah, like that. And then I have a unit like struct like that, but we'll worry about that later. Triple struct. Green dot 0. Okay, so I would declare a, yeah, like that. Let green equals to this like that, right? Or can't remember. So yeah, if it's okay, that this one is easier. This one I just like green equals to 0 to 255 and then 0, right? So this is more straightforward. I'm not saving yet. I'm not done yet. I forgot how to do the, yeah, I just like that. And then red colon 0 like that, right? And then green colon 0, no, and then blue 0 like that, right? Bam. Save. Oh, I am done now, I think. I hope. Oh, there's another to do. Okay, let's fix that as well, maybe. Oh, not found. Oh, in this scope. Yeah, I haven't done this yet. But it should not give me an error message somewhere else because I have a typo, isn't it? Not found in this group. Not found in this group. Oh, there, here. I'm being silly. Okay. It's color tuple struct. So, yeah. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, yeah. So let's finish the last thing. Unit like struct. So unit like struct is like that. We don't have that, right? Instant struct equals to something, and then oh, we need to be unit like struct of fun. Huh? I don't know. Let's do it. Maybe like that. I don't quite get it. Why am I now? I have a lot of weird things going on. Let's see. Let's look at the error. Oh, unexpected token. I'm missing some semicolon. Yeah. Okay. Semicolon. That's a equal. I'm also missing some semicolon here and there. And then, oh, it works. So I just need to create something. Okay. I guess. It's like magic. So. What else? What else? Hacker in Rust. Okay, all the to-dos. So I have the order struct. I also have a debug there. Create order template. So this is order. So it will return an order. It will take in an order. So no, it will just return an order. It's just create an order. Create your own order using the update syntax and template above. So let your order equals to. I kind of forgot the update syntax, so let me double check. I'm using struct. Let's see. Dot entry, right? Is it dot entry? I think it's not that easy. What was that? What was that? Method syntax, right? Oh, this is the method. What was the update syntax? No, it's not here. It's not here. Oh. Okay, update syntax is here. It must be mentioned somewhere, but I don't know where it is. So let user 2 equals to that using update syntax will be dot dot. Yes, I forgot that. Yes. So now I have a template, and then so I just need to create a new one, order, and then so instead of name is Bob, name is Hacker in Rust. So name string from so Hacker in Rust. So hacking away, and year is the same. Count is now 1, and then I can use dot dot order template like that. Yeah, I don't need a comma here, so let me remove this as well. Do a save, and then oops, always forget the semicolon. I know I'm gonna make this mistake a million times until I remember someday. Okay, so that's done. I forgot about this very handy thing, and I don't associate it as update syntax because I don't think of it as update. I just think of like lazy, not feeling like just use the default or something. Yeah, I would probably call it use default if you ask me, but I'm not very good at naming things, so I should let other people do it. Struct contain data but can also have logic. In this exercise, we would define the package struct and then we want to test some logic attached to it. So something goes here, something goes here. So I have a struct, I have three things. It's a string, and then I32, and then I have the method, or it's not, it's new. Then it's new, then like it has all this. So you just check before we create a new instance, which is the package. Yes. Now I have an international thing. This is like TDD, right? I've like written all the tests and I just want to make it fast. Create international package. So what should international package do? Is international. Sender country. So is sender country is not equals to recipient country, right? So I would probably return a boo, I guess. Oh, not new, it's boo. And then something's go here. What should go here? So we just returned sender country, so self dot sender country equals to recipient country, right? No, I haven't done yet. Oh, is it? No, I'm not done. Right, I'm not done. Get fees. Get fee. I would just so get fees is cents per gram. So I should take in 2. So yeah, I should take in cents per gram and then probably multiply it by the, so return self dot weight in grams and then multiply by cents per gram, right. So this will be a price returning cent. I don't know whether that's what is needed, but we'll look at it later. Get fees is not found in package. Ooh. What's going on? Expected identifier. Oh, this one is missing. I32. Right. What they asserting? Is the number okay? You might have mean typos everywhere. Is self dot recipient country. It still failed. So 2 passes, 2 failed. What are the failures? Create international packages. That's is international. Oh no, not equals to. How can I oversee this? Okay. Yeah, right. Okay, cool. So how many have we done? 26 over 95, 26.3%, not even 1/3. But more than 1/4. So this is so far, this is where we are. I think it's quite good progress. We have like finished 1/4 of the rustlings exercise. I guess we could try to march on maybe tomorrow to finish it, maybe like until the test or something, and then we'll read the rest of the book and then do the rest of it. Yeah, this is the last chapter basically. Yeah, I hope Enum is not too difficult because it kind of using something that is in chapter 18. We could have a peek at it when we are stuck, but yeah, maybe we'll try a little bit. If we are really stuck, we'll just go back to the book. But I don't know. So I don't know is the answer because I am doing it this blind with everybody else. And yeah, so far so good. Can we? Okay, actually, I want to make it commit because now it's getting a lot. So I will save this as complete. 1/4 of the book of the exercise. Create the why is a detached commit? It's fine. I just want it to be there. Cap save game and close out of this, so we have a plain slate to work with next time. Oops. Right. So, good. I will see you probably tomorrow because today is Friday. On Friday, I should really spend time with family rather than in front of the camera. I mean, I love doing things with all of you, but I also have family. I will spend some time with my family today instead. So, okay. So see you all tomorrow.